If you wake up with dry eyes or trouble focusing, your retina might be in a state of slow collapse. Here are the top 3 foods that repair your vision while you sleep. And number 1 is in your fridge right now, but you likely throw away the most important part. Number 3, the internal sunglasses. We start with spinach and dark leafy greens. Think of the macula in your eye like highly sensitive camera film. The blue light from phones and lamps acts like a scalpel, slowly tearing this film apart. This is where spinach comes in. It is a reservoir for 2 specific chemicals, lutein and zeaxanthin. Medical studies confirm that these compounds don't just float randomly in your blood. They accumulate specifically in the retina to form a protective shield that absorbs harmful light before it burns the cells. Eating 1 cooked cup at dinner gives your eyes the raw materials to repair light damage throughout the night. However, these vegetables become completely useless if your eye cell membranes are dry and stiff. And the solution is in the next food. Number 2, the biological lubricant. Fatty fish, specifically salmon or sardines. Think of your eye like a precision engine. If the oils run dry, the metal wears down. Dry eyes are not just an annoyance, they are a sign that the cell membrane is breaking down. The science is clear. Your retina contains the highest concentration of omega-3, specifically DHA, in your entire body. Your body cannot manufacture this material. You must ingest it. When you eat salmon, you provide your eyes with the cement needed to repair cell walls during sleep, making them flexible and moist by morning. If you are realizing now that your food is your medicine, subscribe to join us on this journey. Now, get ready for the item that everyone unfairly demonizes. Number 1, the ultimate repair capsule. Eggs, specifically the egg yolk. For years, we were told to avoid yolks due to cholesterol, which was a fatal mistake for our eyes. The scientific reason is simple yet fascinating. The repair compounds we mentioned earlier, like lutein and antioxidants, are fat-soluble. If you eat spinach alone, your body may absorb almost nothing. But egg yolk contains the repair pigment and the necessary fat to transport that pigment directly to the eye. Research has proven that the bioavailability of antioxidants in eggs is far higher than in supplements or vegetables. The yolk is a multivitamin designed by nature specifically for the optic nerve. 2 boiled eggs before bed might be the best investment to protect your vision from age-related blindness. But be warned, all this food will not help you if your diet relies on sugar. Sugar causes the glycation of proteins in the eye, making the lens opaque like a dirty car windshield, no matter how many eggs or fish you eat. You must stop the damage before looking for the cure.